What if I told you that you can turn your passion into a thriving online membership community that generates passive income every month? My name is Michael from Thinkific, the best way to grow your online education business. And in this video, we'll walk you through how to create your very own membership site on Thinkific. After watching, you'll be able to create your membership community strategy, build your community and landing page, then launch and grow your very own online community. All so that you can generate recurring revenue in 2024. And who doesn't want that? If you find this video helpful, remember to like it and share it and consider subscribing for more tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. A membership site is a subscription website where members pay a monthly or an annual fee to access your exclusive content and community. Unlike a one-and-done course, you're providing your members with regular and recurring content. In addition, membership sites are also interactive. When someone joins your site, they can network with other like-minded learners and engage with you, the expert. There are so many benefits to running your own membership site. The first is recurring revenue. For every month that your members stick around, you are making money. Membership sites allow you to generate consistent income through subscription fees, providing you with financial stability. You can use it to diversify your income streams and build a sustainable online business. The second benefit is community building. An active online community is a major selling point for your members, but it's also a major source of inspiration and fulfillment for you. Not only can it grow your brand and your business, but it also gives you one-on-one insights directly from your customers. So if you're a people person and you like bringing people together to discuss ideas and passions, then a membership site is definitely the way to go. It's just a smart business model when it comes to sustainability. If you're able to provide regular value to your members, they will stick around. That means higher retention, a higher customer lifetime value, and lower acquisition costs for each new customer. And a membership site can work well in almost any niche. The key is bringing people together with shared interests and passions and fostering those connections. We've seen it work really well across so many sectors and interests, like painting or hockey or knitting or dog training, you name it. So are you ready to get started? Building your strategy is the first step, because a great idea without a strategy really doesn't mean much. Start by asking yourself these basic questions. Who is your target audience? And the more specific you can get in your answer, the better. Keep in mind that demographics are really just a starting point. Ask yourself about your users' needs, their interests, what makes them tick. This knowledge about your learners, about your customers, is crucial for tailoring your community to meet the specific needs of your members. What problem are you solving for your members? Your membership community should address a problem or fulfill a need within your niche. Clearly define the value proposition for your members, including solving challenges and fostering a supportive environment. What similar offerings are out there? Analyze existing membership communities within your niche. Understand what works well for them and where they might be lacking. This research will help you build something that's unique and address gaps in the market. Now, let's bring your strategy to life using Thinkific. If you want to follow along, sign up for a free Thinkific account at thinkific.com. To create a membership site on Thinkific, most creators have an offering made up of courses and a community bundled together. They then sell that bundle as a subscription using Thinkific's customizable options. So once you're in, the first step is creating the course or courses that your members will have access to upon joining. To create a new course, look under Learning Products, click Courses, and then New Course. At this point, you can choose between starting with course templates that you can customize or start fresh. Now give your course a name and let's get started. Thinkific's platform is super intuitive to get you up and running quickly. You can add a variety of lesson types like videos, text, quizzes, PDF, or audio. Then you can click and drag them to reorder the lessons. We've made a complete step-by-step guide for creating your online course using Thinkific. Just click up here or in the link in the description. Repeat this step to create as many courses as you'd like in your bundle. Remember that your courses can range from short and quick to in-depth and detailed. Now let's create a community. This lets your students learn and interact with you and each other. To create your very own community, look under Learning Products and click Community. Then hit the button in the top right. After giving your community a name, you'll get two options. In this case, you want your community only available to students who purchase your membership. So select the first option and we'll add it to your bundle in a moment. Once you're in, take time to set up your profile, customize your community, and post a welcome message. Then hit Publish Community. And if you're looking to go deeper, I highly recommend Thinkific's free course all about building thriving online communities. Check it out using the link in the description below. You now have your courses and your community created, and we're going to bundle them all together into, well, a bundle. To do that, under Learning Products, click Bundles, then New Bundle, and give it a name. Using the drop-down, you can select the courses and community to add to your bundle. Working our way across the top, you can click into the Settings tab to customize your URL, upload an image for your bundle, and build out your page's SEO. Now let's look under Pricing. Before you set a price for your offering, you might see a note here to set up your payment processor. This is how you'll securely accept credit card or other type of payments for your membership offer. If you're in supported countries, we recommend using Thinkific Payments, our native payment processor. By using Thinkific Payments, you'll get access to more marketing and selling tools, let Thinkific handle the taxes for you, and manage all your member payments directly in Thinkific. There are alternatives though if Thinkific Payments isn't available in your country. Thinkific gives you flexible options to meet the needs of your particular community. Select Free if you want your membership site to be free and open, either for an unlimited or a set time frame. Select One-Time Payment if you want your customers to pay once for access to your membership. And again, this can be for an unlimited amount of time or a set window. Select Subscription if you want your membership site to be a recurring subscription payment. You can select daily or monthly or yearly. There are options as well to add on a free trial for a limited amount of time, and set a custom first payment that is different than the future recurring payments. And the final option is to set up a monthly payment plan. This is useful for high-ticket membership sites to let them split the payment over several months. For example, a $1,000 membership could be split up to $200 a month for 5 months. In most cases, we recommend membership pricing as the best option here. But find an option that works best for your business and your customers, and Thinkific makes it possible. The final step is building your sales page so that members can find and purchase your offering. A good sales page not only describes your membership site, but convinces your audience that this is the solution for them. We have a whole video on tips and tricks for creating sales pages. It's available up here and in the description down below. But let's take a look at the essentials. Create your landing page by clicking on the link in the top right of your screen. This will take you to the Thinkific site builder. Everything here is super customizable, so you can make it look exactly how you like it. That goes for adding your own banner, headings, colors, videos, and so much more. Click on Add section to see all the components that you can add to this page. And under Theme Settings, you can adjust how your site looks, including colors and typography. Remember, the objective here is to convince your audience that your content is worth their time and is worth their money. Hit Save and Publish, and you're all set. And that's it. Running a membership website is easy with Thinkific as your membership management software. Now that you've got a strategy and you've built your community and website, all that's left to do is to get started. Building a membership site and growing your customer base takes time, but the Thinkific platform makes it possible. Thousands of Thinkific users have gone from zero to running active, fulfilling, and financially successful membership sites. Some are even seeing 7-figure revenue. So start your journey to passive income and a thriving online community today. You got this. And thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials from all of us at Thinkific.